today's video, as you guys already know from the title, is nothing but Raksha Bandhan special makeup look, and this is the makeup I have come up with. It is an easy look, guys, very quick look. So I hope you will enjoy this video. If you like to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. If you're someone new to my channel and looking at this face for the first time, guys, please hit that red subscribe button. It is absolutely free, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to interact with me, please feel free to hit me on my social media pages. The links will be down below in the description box. And also, if you really like this look, make sure that you hit that like button. Without any further delay, let's straight away get into the video.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear is your voice. I know my limits. You can break me down, but I'll stay till the finish line. And I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. We got millions of reasons to let it all go. Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always strong, and I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been fighting ways to get away, to see you again, see you again. There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons, but all I hear